To keep your GT1 Fiber Cleaver in top condition, clean it regularly. Dampen the wipe and clean the grooves of the fiber holder. Use only isopropyl alcohol and lint-free wipes. Wipe all surfaces that touch the fiber, including the upper clamp area. Regularly empty the scrap bin. Slide it out and clean it with a brush. Put the bin back in place after cleaning. If you notice poor cleave quality, check if the cleaver is clean and if the blade needs replacing. It should be replaced every 60,000 cleaves. Discover practical tips and instructions in our full video series. Our team is here to support you. Contact us anytime.